I opened up the bucket hat, same way I opened up the picture of the elephant, and exactly the same thing here. It's a black line drawing on white page. So again, it's all one piece. So we're going to need to separate the hat from the background, from its background as well. Double tap on the background to unlock it, and then get the selection tool and just delete the background. Okay. Now I want to move the hat to where the elephant is. So I'm just going to take the layer, drag it over, and put it on the tab for the elephant, and just drop it here. So I drew my hat to be the right size. You may not have all your accessories the right size, so you can use these handles here to change the size, and you can rotate them and make adjustments after you've brought the accessories into the layers of the character drawing. I want this to be on top, so let's put it all the way up there, and we're going to make it hat 1. I actually might leave that rotated a little bit. It's kind of cute. And I'm going to add some colors for this too. So I'm going to get my selection tool, and I'm going to select that part of the hat. I'm going to make it a nice bright yellow here. There we go. And I'm going to make the other part of the hat a slightly different color. Like that. So I actually just put the color right in the hat. That's fine if you're only going to have one, but if you want to have 2 of them, it gets kind of messy, so it's actually better to do it the way I did with the ears. However, we will just proceed. So in this case, what I'll do is, since I only want 2 of these hats, I'm going to take hat 1 and just duplicate it. So I'll have hat 2 is going to be exactly the same right now, but I will go in and give it some different colors. And then I'm just going to have 2 variations of the bucket hat. I'm going to use the other hat as well, so the cap here. And again, when I took the picture of this, it's a black line drawing on white page, so that's what I have here. I need to release the background and select and delete it. So now my cap is solid and everything around it's transparent. Okay, grab that layer and drag it over onto the elephant and drop it down here. Okay, so I need to turn off the other hats so I can get this one positioned where I want it. And again, I drew it to be exactly the size I needed. So it just fits right in there. And this one, I'm going to add some colors as well. I'm going to select the back part of the cap, make it dark blue, and then pick a slightly lighter blue. Okay, and then I'll duplicate this layer. Okay, and then in hat 4, we're going to just put the color right in the hat again. And I think that looks good with the blue, so I'll just leave that one the way it is too. Great. So now we have our hats, our eyes, our ears, and our backgrounds. So we're just going to add a few flowers. And those are just going to be individual artwork that doesn't need to be changed.